Here is a test review to understand basics about integers. We have 5 questions here. I'd like you to pause the video, copy these questions, answer them, and then look into my suggestions. Question number 1 is, list all integers between -3 and +3. So I'll give you time to answer these questions and go through the rest. B is, write an integer that represents depth of $100. C is, write negative integer greater than -7. D is, write an integer that is opposite of -6. And E is, write a number that is not an integer. Let's answer them now. List all integers between -3 and +3. So in between these integers we will have, so let's say this is our number line, and here we have -3. Then as you go right, we'll have -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and then 3. So the numbers are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. So these numbers are between -3 and +3, correct? B is, write an integer that represents depth of. Depth means minus, right? You owe someone, right? When you owe someone, be minus for depth, and 100 is the value. So -100. Write negative integer greater than -7. So a number which is on the right side of -7 will be greater, right? So we could write -6, right? So -6 is greater than -7. We know -6 is greater than -7 since -6 is on the right side of -7 on a number line, correct? Write an integer that is opposite of -6. So opposite is a number which when added gives you 0. So the number is +6. So we have -6. If I add the opposite number, which is +6, I'll get 0. So the answer here is +6, right? So +6 is your answer. Write a number that is not an integer. We know integers are negative and positive whole numbers including 0. But if I write -half, that is not an integer, right? Since it is not a whole number, right? So -half is a real number, not an integer, right? That is an example. I hope it helps. Thank you and all the best.